Hi, I'm Shirley from Abt, and today I'm going to show you how easy it is to use the Auto Roast feature on the Miele convection ovens. The Auto Roast feature brings the oven temperature up to 450 degrees to sear, locking in flavor and moisture, then drops back down to set temperature. So what we're making today is an 18-pound turkey that's already been prepared for the sake of this video. And if you'd like the recipe, just click the description below. So before we get started, we're going to need to use the wireless roast probe that Miele provides with all their M-Touch ovens. It stores neatly within the oven and is always available when you need it. The correct way to use the roast probe is to insert the probe diagonally into the breast of the turkey along the bone. If you hit the bone, gently pull back until you don't feel it touching. So we're going to need to roast this turkey to a core temperature of 165. The wireless roast probe is a foolproof way to get the correct core temperature. So now we're ready to use our oven. And what's nice about Miele ovens is you can either tap, touch, or you can scroll. So for now, we're going to go to operating modes. We're going to find Auto Roast. We are going to be using the roast probe, so we'll click yes. And then we're going to set our temperature. We want our temperature to be set at 325. Press OK. We want our core temperature to be set at 165. Press OK, and we're set. So now the oven's in the searing phase at 450. Once the sear is completed, the oven will drop the temperature to 325 as programmed to continue cooking until it reaches the set core temperature of 165. To learn more about Miele products, visit us at abt.com or visit our showroom located at 1200 North Milwaukee Avenue in Glenview, Illinois.